Alright, let me teach you some numbers in Norwegian. It's going to be the numbers from 1 to 999. Okay, so let me begin here. Okay, so I will teach you now first 1 to 10. Okay, so pay attention to the pronunciation because it's really important now, especially in the beginning. So we have en, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pay really attention to the number 7, which is 7. Okay, can be that pronunciation is 7. Okay, if it's difficult for you, just practice that one because maybe me it's the most difficult one. Okay, that's 1 to 10. Just this one, just memorize it and learn it. Okay. Then we have from 11 to 20. Let us take a look here. So we had 11, 12, 12. You see here like the V is kind of, you don't pronounce the V here. So 12, 13. Okay, pressure on the T. 13. 14, 14, 14, 14. 15 is 15, 15. 16, 16, 16. 17 is 17, 17. 18 is 18, 18. Then we have 19, 19, 19. And then the last one here is 20. Okay, the pronunciation is 20, 20. Okay, so 20. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you something because now there's a pattern here happening from the rest of the numbers until 100. Because look at this one. Now I just want you to learn that what is 20, 30, 40, and 50, and 60, those things, because we can just add things together now. We can just say 20 and then 5, for example, like 25, like in English. We just say in Norwegian, look at this one. We have 21, 21. So 21. Just a combination of, we put together two words, 20 and 1, so 21. So now you know 20 is 21. Then we have 22 is 22, 22. 23, 23, 23, you see there's an easy pattern here, which you say, when you say something in 20, you say 21, 22, 23, 21, 22, 23. So now you just have to learn that 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and up until 90. So you have that one, just combine it with a number in the end. Just put whatever you want in the end. For example, I'm going to teach you now how it works. So 30 is 30. Once you know 30, 30, you can just add 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want in the end of it. So you see 33 is 33. Okay, 35 is 35. Okay, so 35. Now let's go to the next one. Is 40. It's 40. 46 is 36. Okay. Now you just have to learn the other ones. It's 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Okay, now it's just easy for you because you can just take whatever number you want here and just put whatever you want in the end of it. For example, if you want to say 65, you can say 65. Just combine those two things. It gets really, really easy from here. So look at this one. I'm going to show you now 100 and some other numbers here over 100 until 999. Look at this one. We have 100 is 100. Okay? Then, if you want to say something more than 100, for example, like 164, you just say 100 og 64. Og means and. So it's like 164. So you just add 100 and then the rest. Same thing with if you want to have 400, you say 400. Because now, once you go to something like 300, 400, 500, you can just say 200, 300, 400. You see here the pattern here. We put it like the 2 in front of it. 200 is 200. 300 is 300. 400 is 400. Okay, so you see here the pattern here. It's really easy to see. Okay, so for example, if you want to say something like 476, okay, it becomes 400 and the thing and 76. So it's 400, 476. Okay, just a combination of those things here. Okay. Now I have some questions here for you. Okay, so try to look at these numbers and fill in what is the question mark is. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of time now. Pause the video if you have to, and then I will give you the answers in a little bit. Okay, in just a moment here. Okay, so do that one right now. So you see here the numbers are 44 is 44. Okay, just 40 and 4, the combination of those two. 57 is 57, combination of two things, 50 and 7. 57. Okay, 14 is 14. You just have to remember that one. Then we have 555. What happens here? Let's look at the pattern. So first of all, we have to look at what is 500. Is 500, the thing I taught you. Then we have to add the 55. You just say and 55 og 55. So 500 og 55. What about 765? Okay, first of all, what is 700? Is 700. Okay, 700, 700 og and then you have to put the 65, which is 65. So it becomes 765. Okay, perfect. I hope you learned something from this video, like you have a good understanding of the numbers and the patterns that happens here. Okay, good job.